Hello, learners. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into the world of pronoun and types of pronoun. So let's get started. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. They can do everything a noun does. Pronouns are vital because they help us avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. Let's explore the different types of pronouns with examples. Personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific people or things. They change depending on their role in a sentence. Here are some examples. 1. Subject. Pronoun: he went to the store. 2. Object pronoun: she gave him the book. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things or people. Let's see some examples. This is my favorite book. That is your car. Possessive pronouns indicate ownership. Here are a few examples. This is mine. That pen is hers. The keys are ours. Is that theirs? Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object are the same person or thing. Check out these examples. She baked the cake herself. He hurt himself playing football. We prepared the presentation ourselves. Relative pronouns introduce relative clauses and connect them to the main clause. Let's see some examples. The person who called you is my friend. This is the book that I was talking about. Do you know anyone who can fix computers? Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Here are a few examples. Who is at the door? Whose bag is this? Which movie did you watch? Indefinite pronouns refer to nonspecific people or things. Let's look at some examples. Everybody loves pizza. Somebody left their umbrella here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Easy Way for more English learning content. Drop your questions or what you'd like to learn next in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.